I used to work for a law firm and moved to Alabama, and once that case ended, my job ended. So I decided to create some marketing information, a brochure on what I was trained in school. So my master's is in environmental and land use planning, and I have a law degree. So I decided to name my business Slade Land Use, Environmental and Transportation Planning based on my work experience and educational history. I'm actually from Ahoskie, North Carolina, and I grew up in a rural area. My grandfather was a farmer. Growing up with my parents, I used to do yard work for my father as well as gardening. And so I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. So having a construction material testing laboratory comes natural to me. I'm not afraid to slip and slide in the dirt and test the dirt. We are a multifaceted company that is very agile. We are able to provide our work on time, within budget, and on schedule, which is very important to our clients. We have certifications as well. That's an added bonus. When I first started, I realized very quickly that it was important for me to become certified as a disadvantaged business. After that, I realized there were so many other certifications that I needed to obtain. And as you continue to venture out to different states, they have even more certifications for different municipalities that you can obtain. Right now, we are certified in 17 states as a DBE. That's a tremendous amount of documents we've had to complete, but I tell you, every day we're filling out another pre-qualification. That's part of doing business as a DBE. Our goal is to help our clients be able to reach the $1 billion roundtable. I think that the multidisciplinary nature of our company is an asset to our clients to be able to work on the construction project from beginning to end. We actually test asphalt, concrete, soil, grout, mortar. Well, this is really important for the construction process. We actually work on horizontal as well as vertical projects. The added value of using our company is to make sure that you test the soil before building your building, because if not, your foundation will crack. There could be litigation, as a result of the project having to take up all the concrete, and you don't want to have to invest a lot of money in a building that's multiple millions of dollars and then you have to redo it. We've worked with airports, municipalities, the federal government, healthcare, the education space, are just a few of the sectors we've worked with. I would say that my best client are airports. I really enjoy working with airports. Right now we're working in 4 locations. We're working in Birmingham, Nashville, Dallas, and Atlanta. As I move across the country working on different projects, I've been told that I'm the only African-American female that owns a construction material testing lab. At first that was surprising, but with the level of effort that it takes to have a lab, I understand that it's definitely not easy to do. And so I'm very proud to be the only African-American female that has a construction material testing laboratory. I was recently named one of the top 100 in construction. That's pretty amazing. So I'm really excited about that, mainly because, when you look across the country, I don't really measure myself nationally. And so to be able to get that recognition, that is huge. The way I was able to grow my firm was by investing in getting certified myself and then training others and sending them to get certifications. And so that has made a difference in my firm with being able to grow my own people and be able to provide them exposure and opportunities. As a general contractor, I have the power to be able to work with MBEs to MBE. We hire plumbers, masonry, scaffolding, different subcontractors that are all in our network. And so we want to grow with them. So as I grow, they grow. My vision for the future in general contracting is to be one of the top female general contractors in the country is really what my goal is. There are not that many women in construction that are general contractors. We're actually licensed in Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, Georgia, and South Carolina. When I look around the country, there's not many women that can say that they are licensed in that many states. Hi, I'm Latrice Slade of Slade Land Use, Environmental and Transportation Planning, principal of Slade.